Side shields are included in your accessory kit for both the Q-Optics Classic and Revival frames. The Eclipse frame does not include side shields as it meets OSHA safety guidelines. Side shields are engraved with the frame part number as well as an indicator for which is the left side and the right side. Place each side shield along the correct temple arm at an angle along the smallest part of the temple arm near the earpiece. Slide the arm into the side shield channel at an angle, up and into place. Then slide all the way forward. This can be a tight fit as you slide it into place. Once the hole in the shield and the temple screw are aligned, you will have found your proper final placement. Make sure the shield is flush to the front of the frame and the temple arms are able to open and close. If the shield is not aligned properly, the temple arm will not open and close correctly. Allow the temple arm to partially fold in, then slide each shield along the temple arm until it reaches the narrowest part of the arm. Then, angle the shield in order to tilt the arm out from the bottom first. Thanks for watching! For more videos about your Q-Optics loupes, subscribe to our channel.